This is me standing outside Highland Noodles in Roseville. And we waited. We waited an hour and a half to get in. An hour and a half, and I'm not exaggerating. People were outside in the cold to get in here. There was so much hype around this place when it first opened. Hand-pulled noodles, dim sum, people going crazy on TikTok. And honestly, I got caught up in it too. I had to try it out. So fast forward to now, and yeah, it's a little different. The crowd has kind of died down. You can actually walk in, which tells you something. But let's back up. Let me actually tell you about the food because that's what we're here for. So the place itself looks really nice, like genuinely. It's got this warm lighting, wood panels, Mandarin symbols up above the kitchen. It's got a vibe. You walk in and you're like, okay, this feels legit. They even have an open kitchen where you can watch them pull the noodles. That part's actually pretty cool. You get the menu by scanning a QR code at the table. The menu has pictures and it's pretty easy to navigate. We tried a bunch of stuff. I've got footage of pretty much everything we ordered. So here's my honest take. The food is good. Like, it's not bad at all. The noodles are chewy. The broth has flavor. The portions are decent for the price. Nobody walked away mad. But was it worth a 90-minute wait? No, not even close. And I think that's really the whole story here. The thing that actually stood out the most, and I wasn't even expecting this, was the green onion pancake. Bro, the onion pancake was legitimately really good. Crispy on the outside, soft in the middle, savory. If you go, get that. That's the move. And then they have this Chinese beef burrito. It's kind of like the green onion pancake, but rolled up with some meat inside. It was actually one of the better items we had. It's more like a Chinese style wrap, and it worked. That one surprised me. So here's where I land on this whole thing. Highland Noodles is a solid restaurant. If you live in Roseville and you want Chinese food and you don't feel like driving to Sacramento, go check it out. The food is fine, the place is clean, and service was above average. They're very attentive here and kind of stand by kind of a little bit too much. But the hype, that thing took on a life of its own. When something goes viral on TikTok, everybody loses their mind a little bit. And I think that's what happened here. People waiting an hour and a half because other people were waiting an hour and a half. Now that things have calmed down, you can actually just walk in. It makes a lot more sense as a restaurant. It fits the space it actually is, instead of the thing people made it out to be. So yeah, Highland Noodles in Roseville, good? Yeah. Worth the hype it had? No, not really. Worth going now that it's chill? Sure, especially if you snag those green onion pancakes. If you've been here, let me know what you thought down in the comments. I'm curious if anybody else felt the same way or if I'm totally off on this. Drop a like if this helped, and I'll catch you on the next video.